Okay, so today is the 11th. Tomorrow is the 12th. Tomorrow is supposed to be the day that these housing people are supposed to come, the carpenters, per my court stipulation. I don't even know. It's not even a stipulation. It's an order to correct. That's not order to correct. Now, I can easily leave this. I can leave this. But you see my paint? I keep paint with me. I keep paint with me because I try to make my own repairs. Because I'm not anal like that. I'm not annoying. I try to make my own repairs. I'm going to try to make my repairs, but at the same time, I'm going to show this to the carpenter when they come here tomorrow. Just letting y'all see this because of that water damage. Water damage from yesterday, the 10th. Yesterday was the 10th. I think my date was wrong. Yesterday was the 10th. That water that came in, it's still damaged up there. Flow through. No problem. My paint. That's my paint. Make my own damage. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it. But I'm gonna show the judge it. I'm gonna show the judge. Take my pictures, and this is it. I'm not gonna keep doing this. I'm not gonna keep doing this. This is not gonna be my livelihood. I'm not gonna keep doing this. This is not my job. This is Miss Collins. Over and out.